Hello, welcome to today's Excel tip. Today, we'd like to look at slices and how slices can be used to filter tables visually. Let's start off by converting this housing complex table. We click anywhere within the table, we go into the Insert tab, and then we click on Table. The shortcut key for table is Ctrl T. And yes, indeed, our table has headers, so we'll leave that checked. And our range has been converted to a table. Now, whilst we are in the table, on the Design tab, we can go to Insert Slicer. What Insert Slicer does is that it allows us to choose which columns within our table would want to use as slices. So here I want to choose Housing Complex and Staff. Click OK, and now we have two slices brought out. So these are the two slices. I want to resize them so you can see both of them. So the first slicer, we can right click on the slicer and go to Slicer Settings. And the settings for this slicer would want the display heading to say, I think the housing complex, or we just want it to say filter by complex, which is more intuitive for the user. The housing complex name is the name of the filter, so we're okay with the name, but the display caption is what we've changed. So now we see filter by complex. That's how we can change the filter. What happens when we click on these filters? If I click on Cody block, it will filter this table by Cody block. So let's click on Cody block. You see the table has been filtered, and the second slicer has also been filtered by the available stuff within that block. To undo a filter, we just click on the remove filter or press Alt C. Let's filter by the staff Fred. So click on the Fred in the staff, and you see Fred has two units which are Moss, and the complex filter has also worked. We can also quickly jump into another filter by just clicking on the another filter. Now horizons, because we had Fred highlighted in staff, that's why there's nothing here. But we can just clear the staff filter and go back to horizons, and there we have free records returned. In our filter block also, we can change the color of the filter. Let me remove the filter. We can change the color of the filter by clicking on the slicer design here and choose a design we want. So even in the staff, we can also change that one. So now we have a better looking view of our slices, color coordinated to what we want. If we should ever want to delete a slicer, we just click on the head of the slicer and just hit the delete key on our keyboard, and that's how we would delete slices. So try out slices in your work and let us know how it goes. Thank you.